Ka skul sing antin silong sa sisian pan kalapau yang kum ka skul kabale bha e ka result jong ka class 12 science kabala penmana ha kasi balang kani ka skul klayo do khandai pau 0.1% na ka jing pass nalor kata kalayo raru ya ka pusian baskhmat do e ha kani ka jing le exam ha ka bai dei bat ka commerce stream pat ya ka kerdan baningkong layo da ka BBS college bat but sa kasin antinis kani ka result kabala penmana ha kasi balang kalawan ra e ka jingmen ka bakrau e ki samla kiblayo ban kai yuso ka jing job badru ki samla puli Kari khasi channel kalayo banikran bat katu kat ni kisamla puli bat kumjuru vice principal jong school sintni salo kani ka jingjob ka jungki
ka benengkong ka buram kan lech uplay namar dei mau ubapan namar kini ki aka paro gi jalong de nakamta de na namar dei mau bakersan bor yang uba yang kani kalat bangan yo ban puli ha kani ka school ka ba kumbang ni tip hi ka ka school ka ba ka khampau nam kenya ha kum kami khalaya ngantap da jing smo comment ka buram rukan lech email ki bhai yang janga ki ba sat kersan yang ana kapor sa kawi kapor bat khamtam e ki no hikai ki ba yalam lenti yang i ha ki jing puli jungi om ta kata hanrei ru ha nadu get na menta ga jing bha jing bet jongi ko ki khna hi nga pen pa ru ga jing snungu khamtam e yang gitu ki brio ki dei ki parlog jonga ki dei ki relative jonga ki ba kan mau yang hak jing dry jongki namar ngangai scam namar ba datang ka jing dry ba ka jing shani a oblei bangi la ban job sa ka thong ban ong ya jing pen kre ho ya kata ngaminat ma ga tuition ru gam julet nga tang na school bet namar nga snu ka jing hikai nani na school kalap yang palat kino hikai ru ki datri sitam takadaw ke ka jing thrang jonga ru kalong bangan poi sa taga clear ulum takadaw nga yai tri sitam ban kwa ba kani ki jing tri sitam jonga kan nang yai beteng khnang ba ngala ban ai ka jing sngopa khamtam e ya email ban ong ya kata mentang pat nang ban ong ke ka banga karmen scam bet ha ka jing penyat lenti jong oble my favorite teacher in St. Anthony is Miss Bartakur. Ishim yaga botany subject. Long iski said I'm baro hikin hoi kai ki I'm sim. My favorite teacher is Miss Bartakur.
Ismo komen hi samba lang so jong jing trishtam but I feel like I could have done better, but still I'm happy with my result. Man kasi school days then prepare our kanta, but ko homework along like kanta he. Ndo university pate I spend like 6 to 8 hours studying. First of all, kada aim janga long ban poish khmat namar. It's a competitive world, so kiba poish khmat ham sukma. Ngan continue to become nangta maybe I'll start preparing for competitive exams. After that, I'll try for bank management. Ngale tang ko WhatsApp, ke Instagram ngale tang support tang ba ngasnom ba kapun wit
I'm quite surprised. I was obviously hoping to get a rank, but not the top position, of course. So I'm really happy now and just celebrating. As for the preparation, I've been studying throughout the year, and before the exams, it was very important for me to solve the previous year's question papers. And teachers, I can't name one. All of the teachers of Anthony's Science have really, they have sometimes worked harder than the teachers to make sure that, teachers have worked harder than the students to make sure that the students do well. So I think a lot of credit goes to the school and these teachers, and of course my parents were supporting me all the time. When I was really sad, they were there with me to give me that boost which I needed at times. I've applied for NEET exams, so if I get good, otherwise I'll go for BSc. I want to become a scientist, so let's see. There was no fixed hours. I just made sure I had plans in my mind in the morning, and I made sure that I could accomplish those plans. I just wanted to finish whatever I have thought I'll study today. That was my thing.
Kalong ka jingkman ba crowd na kamta ka school St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School bahkan ke result jongka class 12 commerce and science ki khana jongi kila poi bang hakane ka top 10 kumangi I naga kliang commerce kila don riungut ki ba yo top 10 na kliang jong science ki yo haru prangut te kadai ke jingkiman ka crowd jongi kum ka school brokaway bat ngila ban ong ba kini ki khana school jongi ki don sisai kane ka jing thrang jongki ban tresitom nado ka por ba ki sedang ban school hakne kila kloy ban tresitom bat ngila ruban Sngiu kit ram ya ki kimi ki pa ki bala budin ya ki khun joki man la ka sngi man la ka por ban pentikina ba ki khna jongi kinom don gono ka ching thut ki kemi ki pa ki dei ki yong ai mesim ki ba nakong ng syap ba kemjuru ki no hikai ki la trei borba om dei tang menta kasnem om dei tang menta sisema snem hendrei ngila trei hakini ki bun kliki snem ban pentikna ba na pedeng ki pemut ngila la ban yo do prangot science ba na pedeng pemut ngila ban yo hendrei mut haka commerce bat kumolong kani ka vision jong ka school jungi ka ai ka tak hikai ban kentiu om dei tang yaga ching nang ching start hakaleng ka kot ksla hendrei hakaleng jong mensim hakaleng ka akor burom hakaleng jong ka ching tibriu tu blai ba kamchuru ha kalang kamet ko mangitip wat haki sports par hui ku ki liang ma pher jong ka society ka school jungi ka chui simenta te kane king kade kata ka vision jong ka school bat kane ka vision jong ka school kan jai beteng na ka post ka por ban pentikina ba ngin penlong ye ki khna jongi kiba tibreu tu blai bat kiba dona ko demurom bat ngiyo ishai ba kini khna kidei kita kiba kwa bante ye klawe ki baha jongki bat ni kermen scam ba nadu menta kasngi shadu kisngi baken nangya hakini steman sawan kinang kiu saprang dak jikr khu do jong blai ngi lai persangka bala hi ban yo ikin hikai kiba trestom mil basngi bat kin hikai ki budin mala kapor haba ki wan sa school kin hikai ki pentikina ba kini ki khna school kilas thu ya ki hikai jongki bat ki airu ki homework jongki bat ki shem ba ki khna ki long serious haga jing trei jongki khna te ki kin hikai ki budin mala kasngi mala kapor den ni kadau ba lada ni shem ba ki khna ki jai lai ha kane kaliang ha kata kaliang kin hikai kim sange bat dona penjoki ki bon ra ro ki khna ki ba khamle sting shaka authority jungi kumchao principal le vice principal bat ni kendu ye kini ki khna ban sneng magentu ye ki khnang ba kinom hap haka apot haki jingpule jongki